How to log in into Ocean credit card account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Ocean credit card online account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and simply search for Ocean credit card login. Then you'll find this Ocean Finances. Head over to this link right here, oceanfinance.co.uk/credit cards, and you should be here. Now, right here, you'll find sign in option for all the account holders. So tap on sign in, and this should open up a login option. So let's wait till it loads. If it doesn't load, you can simply restart your page here. You can reload the page, let it load right there. Now, type in your email address here, then your password here, and then sign in, and you're good to go. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.